OpenAI recently introduced a new web scraper called GPT-Bot, and they have confirmed their plans to release the next iteration of their language model, GPT-5. The tech world has waited in anticipation for the release of GPT-5, and OpenAI has just put all doubts to rest regarding its development and eventual release. Keep watching till the end to understand the marvel of the GPT-Bot and the latest announcements regarding GPT-5. Welcome back everyone, it's time for AI. Here we cover the latest news and announcements in the field of artificial intelligence. In this video, we will be talking about OpenAI's GPT-Bot and their latest announcements regarding GPT-5. Keep watching till the end to understand what all the fuss is about. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you can stay up to date on everything hot in the field of AI. The widely speculated potential of GPT-5 is to achieve Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. GPT-Bot, developed by OpenAI, is a web crawler designed to browse the internet and gather text data from various web pages. This collected data plays a crucial role in enhancing the performance and capabilities of OpenAI's advanced language models, including GPT-4 and GPT-5. ChatGPT's exceptional content generation abilities stem from the vast amount of text data collected by GPT-Bot. This data acts as an extensive repository of information that the models utilize to understand and respond to user requests effectively. As you all know, ChatGPT is a language model trained on text, and GPT-4 is a multimodal model capable of handling text and image inputs. GPT-Bot will greatly automate the training process of these two models. Do you use ChatGPT or GPT-4? Let us know in the comments below what your experience has been like with these AI models. Now let's jump right into today's topics of discussion. GPT-Bot. Before delving into GPT-5, let's first discuss GPT-Bot. If you are curious about how GPT-Bot selects which web pages to explore and avoid, it follows specific rules and guidelines to ensure the gathered data is of high quality and respects people's privacy and rights. GPT-Bot exclusively explores web pages accessible to the public without paywalls or login requirements. It intentionally avoids pages containing personally identifiable information such as names, addresses, phone numbers, or email addresses. Additionally, it filters out content that violates OpenAI's policies, such as hate speech, violence, or pornography. Suppose you are a website owner who prefers GPT-Bot not to crawl your site as well. In that case, you have the option to exclude it. By inserting a specific line into your site's robots.txt file, which is a common component to the source code of websites, you can instruct GPT-Bot to steer clear of your site. For example, the line user agent GPT-Bot disallow tells GPT-Bot not to explore any page on your site. Alternatively, you can customize the directive to allow or prohibit specific directories or pages on your site. The significance of GPT-Bot in the AI community lies in its contribution to OpenAI's data collection efforts, enabling the development and training of more powerful language models. These models can perform remarkable tasks related to natural language processing, such as generating text, summarizing information, translating languages, and answering complex questions. The continuous growth and refinement of this technology depends on the valuable information gathered by GPT-Bot, leading to exciting possibilities like GPT-5. Take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you won't miss out on revolutionary updates like these. GPT-5 versus GPT-4. We have already covered in detail the immense potential of GPT-5 to accelerate AI development and contribute towards the realization of AGI in another video. Click on the card to watch it and understand the basics of GPT-5 before you watch the rest of this one. GPT-5 is the anticipated next major language model from OpenAI, following the releases of GPT 3.5 and GPT-4. When it comes to the capabilities and features of GPT-5, we can anticipate significant improvements over GPT-4 in terms of size, accuracy, and versatility. GPT-4, with its 175 billion parameters, already surpasses most language models in size. GPT-5 is expected to have an even larger number of parameters, potentially reaching into the trillions. This increase in size would allow GPT-5 to store more information and possess greater memory capacity than any individual. Regarding accuracy, GPT-4 has demonstrated remarkable performance in various natural language processing tasks and benchmarks. GPT-5 is projected to surpass these achievements, reaching new heights of accuracy and fluency. It will produce text and speech that closely resemble human communication. Versatility is another area where GPT-5 is expected to excel. While GPT-4 can handle multiple types of input and output, such as text, speech, images, and code, GPT-5 is likely to expand its capabilities further. It might integrate with third-party platforms like social media, search engines, and productivity tools, making it more adaptable and useful across various applications and industries. Comment below if you know any additional information about GPT-5 that we may have missed in this video. After all, everything at this point is just speculation. GPT-5 release news. While limited information is currently available about GPT-5, some clues suggest that OpenAI is actively working on it and planning for its release. For instance, OpenAI filed a trademark application for GPT-5 with the US Patent and Trademark Office (USPTO) in July 2023. However, the application is awaiting examination by the USPTO, and no official timeline or announcement regarding GPT-5's launch has been provided. However, based on the release patterns of previous models, if the trend continues, we might expect GPT-5 to be released before the end of this year. Nevertheless, the ever-changing AI landscape could introduce unexpected surprises or delays that may alter the release date of GPT-5. Will GPT-5 achieve AGI? A highly debated question regarding GPT-5 is whether it will achieve Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. AGI refers to AI that can learn and comprehend anything a human being can, surpassing the limitations of narrow intelligence. Some early reports suggest that GPT-5 could reach AGI by the end of 2023, as it may generate text and speech so lifelike that it becomes indistinguishable from human communication and can handle any question or prompt. However, most experts and researchers consider these claims far-fetched and highly speculative. Achieving AGI is an immense challenge that involves not just improving language models, but also developing a deep understanding of the world, common sense reasoning, and general problem-solving abilities. While GPT-5 could bring significant advancements in natural language processing, it is unlikely to achieve true AGI on its own. AGI requires a comprehensive and holistic approach that encompasses multiple domains of intelligence and cognition. In conclusion, GPTBot is OpenAI's web crawler used to gather text data from the internet, contributing to the development of advanced language models like GPT-4 and GPT-5. GPT-5 is the upcoming language model expected to surpass its predecessors in size, accuracy, and versatility. However, claims regarding GPT-5 achieving AGI are speculative, and it is important to maintain a realistic perspective on the capabilities and limitations of these models. Thank you for watching It's Time for AI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We will be back again shortly.